Hey there, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about how to buy and sell cryptocurrencies. If you're new to this topic, don't worry, we'll walk you through the entire process step by step. Before I start, I want to clarify that this video is for educational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. The first thing you'll need is a cryptocurrency wallet. A wallet is a digital storage space where you can store your cryptocurrencies. There are different types of wallets, such as hot wallets and cold wallets, and you can choose the one that best fits your needs and preferences. Once you have your wallet set up, the next step is to choose a cryptocurrency exchange. There are many different exchanges out there, and it's important to do your research to find one that's reputable and secure. Some popular options include Coinbase, Binance, and Kraken. When selecting an exchange, consider factors such as fees, trading volume, and user reviews. Once you've chosen an exchange, you'll need to create an account and verify your identity. This may involve providing personal information such as your name, address, and ID. Once your account is set up and verified, you can deposit funds into your account using a variety of payment methods, such as a bank transfer or credit card. From there, you can buy or sell cryptocurrencies using the exchange's trading platform. When making a trade, you'll need to select the cryptocurrency you want to buy or sell, specify the amount you want to trade, and choose the price you're willing to pay or receive. Keep in mind that prices can fluctuate rapidly, so it's important to stay up to date on market trends and make informed decisions. After you've made your trade, the cryptocurrencies will be transferred to your wallet on the exchange, and you can then transfer them to your personal wallet for safekeeping. In summary, buying and selling cryptocurrencies involves choosing a wallet, selecting a reputable exchange, creating an account, verifying your identity, depositing funds, making a trade, and transferring the cryptocurrencies to your personal wallet. It may seem daunting at first, but with some research and patience, anyone can get started in the exciting world of cryptocurrencies. I hope this video helped you understand the process of buying and selling cryptocurrencies. If you have any questions or would like to learn more, make sure to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.